Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we're going to be reading a book about the Emperor's New Clothes. But before we start right into it, please make sure to like and subscribe and share your friends and family and cousins, whoever. Now let's start right into it. Woman, man, boy, wife, clothes, emperor. One day a man came to see the emperor. I can make you some beautiful new clothes, said the man. The next day the man came back. Do you like your beautiful new clothes? He said. Only clever people can see them. Yes, said the emperor, but he could not see any new clothes. The emperor saw his wife. Do you like my beautiful new clothes? Said the emperor. Only clever people can see them. Yes, said his wife, but she could not see any new clothes. Emperor's new clothes. The emperor saw a man. Do you like my beautiful new clothes? Said the emperor. Only clever people can see them. Yes, said the man, but he could not see the emperor's new clothes. The emperor saw a woman. Do you like my beautiful new clothes? Said the emperor. Only clever people can see them. Yes, said the woman, but she could not see the emperor's new clothes. The emperor saw a little boy. Do you like my beautiful new clothes? Said the emperor. Only clever people can see them. No, said the little boy. You do not have any clothes on. Oh no, said the emperor, and he ran away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great day. Please make sure to comment. Bye. Before we jump into it, please make sure to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Let's jump right into it. Illustrated by Richard Johnson. Mother duck, the eggs. The ugly duckling, the ducklings. Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful, 1 duckling was not. The ugly duckling met a cow. You are ugly, said the cow. Go away. The ugly duckling met a cat. You are ugly, said the cat. Go away. The ugly duckling met a rabbit. You are ugly, said the rabbit. Go away. The ugly duckling met a boy. You are ugly, said the boy. Go away. The ugly duckling met a girl. You are ugly, said the girl. Go away. The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. Look in the water, said the swans. Ye are beautiful, said the swans. Come with us, and he did. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you had a great day.